Dan, I remember coming there last year.
Try not to get in the picture.
I thought I better get the sails on video just in case they blow off during the night.
Oh, yeah.
So you just completed the sails?
Yeah.
That looks really cool.
Thank you.
We can just walk up this way, babe.
You want to go this way?
Yeah.
Doesn't it look like the sails will
Right on,
fly
we'll be
off?
back
No, it's
on.
not windy right now, that's why. It gets pretty windy at night time.
I would be remiss if I didn't mention Randy's shelf that I got from him at this month's gathering, and it looks pretty good with the pulleys and stuff. Way to go, Randy! Almost killed myself putting that thing up, but fortunately it all worked out okay. Now we'll see how it goes tonight.